I remember one morning and my parents were not home and I was 17 and I wanted to play some basketball. And I went to my friend's house. 2004. Alone in exile. My friend's dad, like he cranked up the radio and he ran out and he's like, Paul, you gotta hear this. And at that time, everyone, you have to understand that we didn't have cell phone. I didn't have a cell phone at the time. And then I could hear on the radio my mom screaming, saying, if you see my son, tell him not to go home because there's three men with guns in front of our door. So that's the way I left. I left with, just like that. And then I went to a friend's house. And then from there, I went straight to New York to finish high school. I am Paul Beaubois, and I'm a migrant.